Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Champagne. Today I'm going to be doing my cash stuffing for next week. If this is your first video, thank you so much for stopping by. Please consider hitting that subscribe button and leave me a comment down below letting me know this is your first video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning. I truly appreciate each and every one of you as you go along on this journey with me. I know I've been a little absent. Life has been busy, been working, and I just kind of have been a little over budgeting and everything. But I'm getting back on it, and so I'm going to unstuff my envelopes for last week. Or this week that's ending. And so in gas, we have 30. So I'm just going to leave that up there. Food, I did get some mini shakes. And so I did use some of my food money, but we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18 left over. So that will go up there. Beauty always rolls over. I use this, majority of this goes to my hair. And then, of course, in spending, it's been so busy, I have not had a chance to use anything, so we still have 15. I finally did get the money back to the bank, and I don't have any change because I've already put it back in my change container. So let's see what we have left over that's going to be going back into savings challenges. So let's see, we have 20, 30, 45, 55, 61, 62, and 63. So we have this 63. And then I also have some cash from a sale. I do have orders coming in. I do make ornaments and things like that. So because the school year is ending and so is sports, I do have a lot of mothers and coaches ask for things to give their graduating seniors. So I am making these. So I did get a cash order. So I will add that into my challenges. So on my next video for my savings challenges, we're going to do 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. So 128 will go into my savings challenges on top of other money that I budget for challenges. But today we are going to be stuffing 50, 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 210, 215, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 76. So $276 is what we'll be stuffing into our envelopes today. So starting with gas, I always give myself $100. Some weeks I spend more, some weeks I spend less, but I always want to have that cushion just in case. If you're new to my channel, I am a hospice nurse, and so I do a lot of driving to see different patients in different areas. So we're going to stick with 100. Food, I give myself 25. So 25 in food. I do take snacks along the road with me, and I try to eat breakfast before I head out so that I don't use this. I am on a low spend year, so I try not to spend this as much as possible, but if I want something, I do get it. As stated before, beauty rolls over every single month. I get my hair done about every 3 months, and so I like to save up for it. And then, of course, any hygiene products, bath products, things like that, self-care products come out of here as well. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 65, 75, 85, 95, 200. So $200 going into beauty. And spending, I give myself $15 for anytime I want to stop and get anything at a store and I haven't budgeted for it. I have this money just in case. Again, that is money that goes back to the bank, so we have nothing in there. Moving on to my dated binder. These are for items that I save for throughout the year that come up once or twice a year, or once or every other year. Car insurance, I pay yearly, and so today my car registration is going to get $10. So we have 1, 2, 10, 20. You will notice that in a lot of my envelopes, we have prop money because I've already taken the money out and transferred it to my ally, so it can sit there and earn interest while I wait for this to come up. So again, we have 220 going towards my car registration. So we're almost there. We need 250. In my nursing renewal, this is paid every 2 years. So this one is just slow and steady. So we have 1, 2, 10, 15. So $215. I do have to pay this year towards the end of the year. So we still have a little bit of time. It's $255, I believe. Yes, that we need to save up for. Moving is not getting anything. P.O. Box will be getting 6. I pay for 6 months and then they give me 1 month free. So technically I get 7 months. So we have 50, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, and 70. So $70 going towards the P.O. Box. I hope everybody had an amazing week and your weekend is even better. I know some areas are, you know, getting hit with storms and winds and things like that. So I hope everybody's staying safe. California weather, it's cold, it's warm, it's doesn't know what it wants to be right now. My Amazon Prime won't be getting anything. This is not due until January 1st. So you can leave that. Next is my undated or my revolving. These are things, binders that I go into more often. So first is going to be family fun. So family fun is for anything that has to do with family, whether it's going to a barbecue, potluck, anything where the family gets together, I take it out of here. So we have 20, 30, 40, 50, and 64 family fun. Next is birthdays. Birthdays will be getting $10. I do have a couple birthdays towards the end of the month that I need to start looking for and purchasing stuff. So we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 25. So 125 in birthdays. Medical is fully funded at $500, so we won't be putting anything there. Clothes, I am skipping clothes right now and putting the money that I budgeted to go into clothes to put into my car maintenance because of the driving. I do feel like I need to get things done a lot more often. So we will actually be putting $20 into car maintenance. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 65. So $165 for car maintenance. I do need an oil change, I think, but I definitely know brakes and tires and things like that will be coming up. So I need to bulk this up a little bit faster. Support small will be getting 5. So let's see, I still have 5, which I think I already spent, but for now, we have $10. This goes for anything that I want to buy from anybody that has a small business, whether it's on Etsy or their own website. I do try to support it as much people as I can, so that is what that's for. YouTube won't be getting anything. This is going to be for a giveaway. And then I'm going to be stuffing my nieces and nephews. There's 8 of them that I save for, 8 of the younger ones. They're 13 and younger. And so they'll each be getting $3, but I've already went through and seen what they have in here. So I'll actually be kind of condensing as I go. So I'll count the first and last because 7 of them have the same amount. And then my oldest has $5 more than the rest because he's older. He's 13 and some of these are babies. Some of my nieces and nephews are barely 1.5 years old. So they have plenty of time to, you know, gain some more money. So as you can see, I'm going to take 2, and with the 3, I'm just going to put in this 5 here. So 7 of them will have 100, 200, 250, 270, and 275. So Alexander has his 275. Joshua, same thing. We'll take out 2 and put in 5, and he will have 275. And all their money is in Ally. It's broken up into buckets, so I know exactly how much each of them have. Narai, same thing. She will have 275. Sayla, same thing. Sayla will actually be getting a little sister the end of this month. So I will be having another envelope made as well as Narai. She will be getting a sister as well. So I will have 2 new envelopes in here. Leia will be getting her 3. Whoops. So her 275. And then Annalise will get hers. So she will have 275 as well. Alana. And then, of course, Jeremy, he is the oldest of the nieces and nephews that I save for. I do have more than 8, but these 8 are the ones that are under 18. The rest of them are over 18, and actually some of these are their babies. So my great nieces and nephews. So we're going to take out this 7 and put in this 10, and Jeremy will now have 1, 2, 50, 70, and 90. So $290 going to Jeremy. I don't know when I will give them this money yet, if it's going to be a graduation gift or, you know, after college. I'm not sure yet. I haven't decided, but I've got plenty of time to save up. I was saving up a lot every week, consistently, but I've focused on some other things, and because I still have time for them, I'm going to kind of scale back a little bit. I still am going to save for them and do challenges for them, but I'm not going to be doing as much as I was doing every week. But they will still get more money. And then this will go back with my prop money. So that is it for this video. I thank you so much for stopping by. I truly appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you have a most blessed weekend and a blessed week. Thank you. Bye.